Creative writing exercise 5. A. Complete the following chart on movies. Type of movie, movie title, describe the movie. Type of movie, comedy, movie title, Ice Age, describe the movie, it was funny and adventurous. Type of movie, thriller, movie title, Panic Room, describe the movie, trapped in their panic room. Type of movie, action, movie title, The Incredibles, describe the movie, how supers do their hero things. Type of movie, science fiction, movie title, Godzilla, describe the movie. In this film, a soldier attempts to return to his family while caught in the crossfire. 1. What kind of movies do you like most? Answer. I like comedy movies. 2. Why do you like them? Answer. Because comedy movies make me happy. 3. Which is your favorite movie? Answer. Donkey King is my favorite movie. 4. Why did you enjoy the movie? Answer. I see many talking animals in this movie. B. What do you like to do? Complete the following on what you like to do and how you spend your time. 1. During the school term, I usually spend my time in reading books. 2. Every weekend, I like to go to seaside. 3. During the holidays. During the holidays, I go for camping in hill station. 4. After school hours, I often do my homework and watch TV. 5. Occasionally, I get invited to birthday parties. C. Have fun with the following riddles. All the riddles are about sports. Write the name of the sports in the space provided. 1. It is played on a large piece of grassland. The player uses a stick to push a small white ball into a hole. What is it? It's golf. It's golf. 2. Two teams of players try to score by pushing a puck into the net with a stick. It is played on ice. What is it? What is it? It is ice hockey. Ice hockey. 3. Two players on a square platform try to hit each other or knock each other out. They wear thick gloves and shorts. What is it? It's boxing. Boxing. 4. It is an indoor activity where two players use long swords to fight against each other. They wear white overalls and helmets to protect themselves. What is it? It's fencing. D. You are Mike. You have just received an email from your pen pal in Britain. Read the following email. Write a reply to him. Dear Mike, do you like football? I really like to watch football. My favorite club is Juventus. Their home is in Del Alpi Stadium in Turin, Italy. I'm a member of their fan club. I like to play football too, and I am in the school team. On Saturdays, we travel to different towns and play against the teams from other schools. I am a defender on our team, but I hope to be a striker. Playing defender is rather boring for me right now. How about you? What sports do you like and what sports do you play? Please write soon. Best wishes, Jack. Now write an email to Jack. Tell him about the sports you like. Dear Jack, I like to play football. Whenever I find time, I prefer to play football. My favorite player is Cristiano Ronaldo. He is very energetic sportsman. He has won many titles and he is seldom agitated during a game. I attend football lesson every Sunday. I have just started learning how to strike the football. My coach my coach says I need more practice. Do you know how to play this game? Do you play other sports in school for layer? Write me soon. Have a nice day. Mike. E. Writing task. Write about a form of entertainment or activity you like most. Use these questions to help you. Brainstorming guidelines. 1. What activity do you enjoy most? I enjoy drawing and painting. 2. Do you need to prepare in advance for this activity? Answer. Yes, I need to arrange everything before start. 3. Why do you enjoy this activity? Answer. I enjoy this activity because it releases me from tiring routine of the day. 4. Do you have friends who share the same interest? Answer. Yes, I have some friends who share this same interest. 5. Have you encountered any interesting incidents related to this activity? Answer. Yes. One day my younger brother spilled ink on my drawing paper and I got angry with him. 6. Has this activity helped you in any way? Answer. Last year I joined a painting competition in school and won the third prize and I became very happy. Now, with the help of the guidelines, write a short composition of about 100 words on your favorite activity. Give your composition a suitable title. My favorite activity. I like to draw pictures and painting of the natural scenes. I like this activity because it makes me relax and releases me from the tiring routine of the day. I have some friends who share this same interest. One day, my younger brother spilled ink on my painting. I got angry with him. Last year, I participated in drawing competition and won the third prize. And I became very happy. F. Practice in creative writing. You went to a talent show organized by your school. Continue the story in your own words. The talent show. Last week's talent show was a great success. There were 15 contestants. Sarah Big won the prize for the best performer. She played a beautiful piano piece. James Lee was the quietest performer. He danced without music. The prize for the funniest act went to Stephen Jones and his dog, Lucky. They sang a funny song together. Before the show started, my principal gave a speech thanking everyone for coming. There was a huge crowd, which included parents, teachers, and students. Everyone was excited as it was first talent show. The first performance was one of the best. It was by Aisha Zahra. She sang a sweet song. Her voice was very melodious. Everyone was impressed. Next performance was the magic show. The boy was little hesitant to show magic tricks. The show lasted for 2 hours. No one wanted to end. There were so many good performances. Another best performance was of Sarah Beg. She played piano like a professional artist. All the people clapped at her performance. It was a good show. No one wanted to miss the show till end. It was difficult for the judges to decide on the winners. I wish I had some talent so that I could participate in this talent show as well. Thanks for listening. For new videos, don't forget to subscribe my channel. And if you like my videos, please share and like.